Want to build serious wealth by 2026? It sounds like a dream, but what if I told you there's a simple blueprint that can turn it into a reality, even if you're starting from zero? Forget complicated jargon and risky baits. Today, I'm giving you the exact 5 steps to build your financial portfolio from scratch. This is your 2026 wealth blueprint. Let's get started. First things first, you need a map. What are your financial goals? We're talking clear, specific targets. Maybe you want to save for a down payment in the next 3 years. That's a short-term goal. Or perhaps you're dreaming of a comfortable retirement in 20 years. That's your long-term vision. Write these down. Knowing your destination is the only way to plan the journey. It dictates every investment choice you'll make, keeping you focused and motivated. Now for step 2, and this is a big one. Start small and be consistent. So many people think you need thousands of dollars to even think about investing. That's a myth. The secret isn't how much you start with, but that you actually start. Take a small, manageable amount from each paycheck. Maybe it's $50, maybe it's $100, and commit to investing it. Every single time. Consistency is your superpower. It builds a habit, and slowly but surely, your financial foundation begins to solidify. Don't wait for the perfect amount of money. The perfect time to start is right now. Okay, so you're ready to invest, but where do you put your money? Step 3 is all about choosing low-cost, diversified investments. For beginners, this means looking at things like index funds and ETFs. Think of them as baskets of stocks. Instead of betting everything on one company, you're spreading your money across hundreds or even thousands of them. This automatically diversifies your portfolio, which is a fancy way of saying it lowers your risk. Plus, they usually have very low fees, meaning more of your money stays invested and working for you. It's the smartest, simplest way to get into the market without being an expert. Step 4 is where we put your progress on autopilot. Automate your investments. This is a game changer. Almost every investment platform allows you to set up automatic contributions from your bank account. You can set it to transfer that $50 or $100 right after you get paid. Why is this so powerful? First, it ensures you stay consistent without even thinking about it. No more forgetting or making excuses. Second, it harnesses the magic of compounding. Your money starts earning returns, and then those returns start earning their own returns. Automating makes this process seamless and relentless, building your wealth in the background while you live your life. Finally, step 5, adopt a long-term mindset. The stock market will go up, and it will go down. That's normal. New, shiny investment trends will pop up, promising to make you rich overnight. Ignore them. Your goal isn't to get rich quick. It's to build sustainable wealth over time. When the market dips, don't panic and sell. See it as a sale, a chance to buy more at a lower price. Patience is your greatest asset. Trust the process, stick to your plan, and focus on your long-term goals. Wealth isn't built in a day, it's built over years of consistent, disciplined action. So there you have it, your 5-step blueprint to building wealth by 2026 and beyond. Set clear goals, start small but be consistent, choose diversify, low-cost investments like ETFs, automate everything, and maintain a long-term mindset. It's not about being a Wall Street genius. It's about having a simple, solid plan and sticking to it. Your journey to financial freedom starts today with that first small step. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more straightforward financial advice. Now go start building your future.